Postpone is a very common English word that you have probably heard before in your daily life, but you might not know how to use it correctly in a sentence. So that's what we're going to look at today. To postpone something means that you have scheduled it. You have chosen a date or time for it. But after scheduling it, you decide that it should actually happen at a later date or time. If you schedule a meeting for Tuesday the 21st, but later decide that it should actually be on Friday the 24th, you can postpone the meeting. If you have a soccer game scheduled for Monday, but it rains on Monday, your game might be postponed to Tuesday. So how is postponing something different from rescheduling something? The main difference is that you can reschedule something to be sooner. But postponing something always means that it will happen later than originally planned, not sooner. Also, when you reschedule something, you always choose a specific date or time for it to happen. But you can postpone something without choosing a new date or time. It's like saying, we can't do it on the original date, but we'll try to do it sometime in the future. Now let's look at how to make sentences with it. First, we can use postpone with just an object. We need to postpone the meeting. I'm going to postpone my vacation. Or, the game has been postponed. If we have selected a new date or time, we can use postpone to. We need to postpone the meeting to next Thursday. I'm going to postpone my vacation to July. Or, the game has been postponed to next weekend. And we can also use postpone until. We use this when we have not yet selected a new time because we are waiting for something to happen first. We need to postpone the meeting until everyone is available. Some people are not available right now, and we are not sure when they will be available. When everyone is available at the same time, we can have the meeting. I'm going to postpone my vacation until I have a bit more money. I had chosen a date to go on vacation, but I didn't save as much money as I was hoping to. I'll go on vacation when I have more money. The game has been postponed until further notice. The game has been postponed, and we don't know the new date or time yet. We need to wait until someone tells us the new date or time. You can also use by or for to talk about the length of time between the original date or time and the new date or time. For example, the conference has been postponed by 2 weeks. That means that it is going to happen 2 weeks later than originally planned. However, if you know the new date or time, it's usually more helpful to use postpone to, because that way no one has to do any math. So yeah, those are the main ways that we use postpone in English. Please feel free to try writing some sentences with it, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.